Hi guys, good morning to everyone. I am Dr. D. Radhashri, Assistant Professor in Commerce. Today we are going to see about the financial accounting in the next topic of the BRS. Let me see about the next topic of the BRS. The next topic is the risk management. Risk management is a process by which an organization is identifying the process to identify the risk and assessing the risk and controlling the risk in a review control. Why the risk management is a very important to solving a problem. It helps the organization to identify the process which can be reacting after the fact. It can be protect the financial health to reduce the losses from unexpected event, to safeguard the reputation of the customers, trust, legal regulatory compliance, to supporting the strategy plans, to allowing to more confidence and decision making under the process of uncertainty. To improve this, the risk management is the process by giving an organization to identify the process. It can be made rid of the uncertainty and negative effect in the objectives which can be handled by process in the involvement of monitoring and the controlling to those of the goods. It can be over of the transaction by take place by the risk management. It helpful for their banks to control their risk. The bank is full of their dealing in the money. The money is the very important for the, it is a public money, so it can be handled in a very risk management. It can be solved for any business we can doing. We want to face the risk management. For that purpose, the risk management is helping to the how to solve the risk in a proper manner. Next, we have seen about the data center management. That way, the data center management is a DCM. It involves in the process of overseeing the operation infrastructures and the security of the data center. It can be helpful for the IT systems and data by collecting up, ensuring a high valuable performance and security of the digital service. The way the infrastructure and the capacity planning have been take place by the monitoring by automations in the security of their process. It can be placed by the compliance by giving a data entry in a secure management to solving a TCM enabling. In the way the remote offers, it is a giving a legal promotion to their working operations. The remote is be controlled by the bank. For an example, in ATM we are putting our money. It is a transaction of the remote of the head office of the bank. It is under the control of the bank, which is the head office of the bank. The ATM is controlled on the same process. So it can be handled in the data center management. Next is the network management in a banking setup. The network management to ensuring the process to tool policies and using a design monitoring ensuring to maintain a computerized network. It to ensure the process which can be handled in a sufficient way and to a monitoring in the modern network management. Leveraging the technologies like the platform automations and artificial intelligence to enhancing the performance. The way only the net banking is enabling the process by giving a transaction in a computer network to ensuring that data flows the efficiently securing the reliability across the organizations. The way only infrastructure is a modern network management by levering the process by giving an idea to solve the capacity of the planning networks. The way it can be efficiently doing in the process by giving an idea to solve a sufficient goods by giving this process. The next is the knowledge management. In when we are doing a management process, it refers to a systematic process. It can be identifying the capturings of the organization by sharing and using a knowledge within the organization as to meet the objectives what we want to know to achieve in a banking sector process. It foster discussing in the process to retention their infrastructures and monitoring the process. It can be helpful for their knowledge management by the people process, advising insight information, technology to improve their practice. It is a well the way. The next is the customer relationship management, that is the CRM. In any business or any doing the transaction, we want to satisfy the customer. That is the main process. It is the sufficient of the goal solving in the process. It can be ensuring the people to advocate by the banking sector. We want to, for all the business, the documentation and customer care is very important. In the way only the banking BRS is helping a customer satisfaction by the process of giving technology in the ways, giving opportunity to potential revenue become by the optimizing by operation to customer relationships in a lead management. Thank you.